What is the 17 degrees Celsius diminished value formula? Have you ever wondered how much your car loses in value after an accident, even after it has been repaired? The 17 degrees Celsius diminished value formula is a method used by many auto insurance companies to estimate this loss. Let's break it down so you can understand how it works and what it means for your auto insurance collision coverage and diminished value claims. First, the process starts with determining the pre-accident value of your vehicle. Insurance companies typically use standard industry sources like the National Automobile Dealers Association or Kelley Blue Book to find this value. This figure represents what your car would have sold for before any damage occurred. Next, the formula applies a cap of 10% to this pre-accident value. This means that the maximum diminished value a car can lose is capped at 10% of its original value. For example, if your car was worth $30,000 before the accident, the base diminished value would be $3,000. After establishing this base amount, the formula adjusts for mileage. The insurance company will apply a mileage modifier, which reduces the payout based on how many miles are on the vehicle. For instance, a car with 20,000 miles might have its base diminished value multiplied by 0.8, while a car with 80,000 miles might be multiplied by 0.3. If your car has over 100,000 miles, it may not qualify for any diminished value payout under this formula. Finally, the formula includes a damage modifier. This multiplier reflects the severity of the damage your car sustained during the accident. It ranges from 0.00, indicating no structural damage, to 1.00, indicating severe structural damage. The base diminished value, adjusted for mileage, is then multiplied by this damage modifier to arrive at the final diminished value payout. Understanding the 17 degrees Celsius formula is important when filing a diminished value claim under your collision coverage. This standardized approach helps insurance adjusters determine the diminished value of your vehicle. However, some people argue that this formula can be too rigid and may not always reflect the true market loss a car experiences after an accident. This is especially true for newer or luxury vehicles, which might lose more value than the formula suggests. If you believe that the 17 degrees Celsius formula does not accurately represent your car's lost value, you can seek an independent appraisal or negotiate for a higher payout based on additional evidence. Remember, while the 17 degrees Celsius formula is widely used in the insurance industry, it is just one method among many. Actual market conditions may vary, so being informed can help you navigate your diminished value claims more effectively.